It's been a while since we've coded a toy app from scratch, so this next bit is review. But it's important setup for the main event of sending an intent and recreating the toy app you just saw. If you want to follow along with me, open the O4A exercise Add New Activity folder. Use the New Activity wizard to create an empty activity named Child Activity. You can also select the type of activity from the dropdown. Child Activity receives a text string from the main activity, so let's set that up. Add a text view and set the ID of the text view to tv_display. And while we're at it, we'll adjust the text size and add some default text. Finally, in the Child Activity class, we need to create a variable to hold a text view, and in onCreate, we retrieve a reference to the text view from the layout. Because we haven't created the intent yet, running the app still shows the main activity. We can verify that our child activity was properly created by editing the Android manifest to launch child activity instead of main activity. We can do that by moving this intent filter, which says to launch this activity when the application starts, from main activity to child activity. And when we run our app again, we see it with the default text we added. Now, before I forget, let me switch that back.